Hey guys, so we're going golfing today. Jake's gonna have some buddies with him.
It just got done raining too, so the course is gonna be a little wet.
We'll update you guys, see how it goes.
Here we go.
He just hit that in the woods.
Here we go. Well, I kinda took my uncle's Cadillac. My mind was made, my bags were packed, and that GPS was set for Tennessee. No books to keep, no business suit, no weeds to grow beneath these.
How do you think it's going?
Fairly well.
Fairly well.
Just hit 3 golf balls in the woods.
Normal.
Out of four golf balls, I hit 3 in the woods. But I'm tied for the lead, so we're all good.
So the wind is picking up pretty good, and it's about to rain again. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go ahead and call it a day.
Yeah, it's about to pour, and by the way, I'm winning by 1 stroke, so we're gonna call it good so I can win and go eat barbecue.